Uh-oh, I ordered a pink keyboard. Let me get this out of here. Ooh, it is pink. Ooh, it is pink. This is supposed to be a wireless keyboard. All the instructions look like it's in a different language. There's a mouse, keyboard, a mouse pad, wireless, charger.
Hi, it's Denise at myluxurypurse.com, and today's subject is my new pink rechargeable keyboard and mouse. So check it out. This is my new keyboard and it's rechargeable. It also has a white light, but I haven't turned it on yet. And it's a gaming keyboard and mouse, but I don't game. I'll just be using it for work. It's pretty cool. It's a pale pink, or like a baby pink. It's reminiscent of the grandfather keyboard. I have all the numbers on this side just like I like, and then I have all my letters. So you're going to have to turn the mouse over and take this little chip thing out. All of the directions or instructions came in a different language, but it's not needed, so don't worry about that. Take this thing right here out. So now that's out, and I put it here ahead and put it inside of the computer. And you just want to make sure that this is on. You can check it out and see that it works. Yeah, it's moving. Now the keyboard is on, and it has a white lighting, so it's backlit. I just wanted to show you guys this new keyboard that I got. It's pretty awesome. I really like it. So if you've been wanting a new keyboard, and a pink one at that, that's how it looks. And let me turn out the light so I can see how it looks in the dark. Hold on. And check it out. This is how it looks in the dark. So it looks pretty awesome. Well, it's not super dark. Let me turn out my other light. Well, the light went out. Let me press it. There it goes. So I guess it has like a little timer. That's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment so I can reply. And if you like this keyboard, really give this video a thumbs up. If you have a pink keyboard or a keyboard that's similar to this, comment below. And I will check you guys out in my next upload. Have a great day. Bye.